let's learn how to make a Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is defined as a graphical representation of activity against time. It helps project professionals to monitor progress. So we'll learn how to create a Gantt chart in Microsoft Excel. To do so, the very first thing that we need to do is to create weeks in these weeks in these columns, and then task in these rows. So, and we will create different timelines for different tasks. So to get things started, let's just type in week 1, week 2, and then I will not type the rest. Let's say I think it will go up until here. I'll select these two, and then I'll just drag through this corner up until where I want it to be. Let's say my project is 25 weeks long. So here you can see Excel has automated the weeks. Now, if I think the column width is too small, what I can do is I can select all these columns, go to the format, and then click on column width to make them uniform in width and increase at the same time. So by default it's 8.43. Let's say I want to make it 10. I'll just type in 10 and then it will become 10. You can see this has increased. Now for the first one, this should be task. So to make things a bit more clear, let's type tasks / weeks. So we can understand weeks is going through here and tasks are going through here. So let's say my task 1 is artwork. Next, underground utilities, drainage, hardscape, irrigation, electrical, soil, and maybe a few things in soil. So soil, top, soil, planting, or just planting, site furnishings, finish, materials. Let's say this might work out for 3 weeks. So to do that, I'll just select the cells and then give them a fill. That's it. That's essentially it. So I'll just keep doing that. And then if I want, I can write notes in each of these cells. If I want, I could also merge them together. So I can just click on merge and center. These 3 cells would become one, and then I can write whatever notes I want. So that's essentially how you can build a Gantt chart. Very simple. You'll submit this Excel file in Canvas. If you want to make things a little more graphical, you could always select the rows, make whatever, if you want, if like into your own text style, you can make it into a different color for highlighting to make things stand out and all the good stuff. So yeah, you can do all those. That would be helpful for you.